Okay, we have here a scenario. Hello po sa mga AXA agents. Although hindi po ako taga-AXA, ako po ay taga-AIA. Scenario, client applied for insurance policy January 2, pinalagay sa form ni advisor if may pre-existing, like normal, no? Kailangan po tayong mag-declare ng maayos. Like PCOS, nag-undergo ng medical, then na-process and nabayaran, meaning complied na ang medical requirements. Tapos, unfortunately, January 11, namatay si client due to a car accident. Totally unrelated doon sa medical declaration. And January 18 pa, no, that's 7 days later, nag-email si AXA na na-approve na yung policy. Ngayon, January 19, nag-initiate ng claim until now walang masagot. Walang masagot sa call and email. Sabi ng advisor, na wala daw makiklaim kasi yung form na pinilapan, may no. Kaya walang temporary insurance. Okay, i-digest natin, i-dissect natin, isa-isahin natin yung scenario nitong case na to. First of all, no, when we apply kasi for a life insurance plan, no, at least for AIA Philippines, meron tayong tinatawag na conditional binding certificate. That conditional binding certificate only means, no, that each client is given a temporary insurance. Yun yung sinasabi niya, no? Temporary insurance in case na may mangyari na in between the approval and the submission, the complete submission of the documents, ay may mangyaring untimely death, no, namatay, basta biglang na-taken out of the picture, which is also part of the contract. Dapat ma-receive pa din ni client yung kanyang death benefit. Okay, of course, that certificate has a certain limit lang. So, for example, in-applyan mo sa life insurance, it's 10 million. Sa amin kasi, ang maximum na death benefit for under that certificate is only 2 million. So, kahit na 10M yung in-apply, no, nung namatay na client habang naghihintay ng approval sa kanyang application, 2 million lang din yung mabibigay na benefit dahil yun ang part ng certificate na yan. That will apply dito sa case na to, no? Kasi January 2 pa lang, no, na nag-submit, nagbayad, nag-medical, na-comply, no? Walang sinabi dito kung kailan na-comply yung medical, pero since namatay si client January 11, my assumption is that natapos niya yung kanyang medical, na-comply niya. Meaning, sa side ng client, wala nang problem or issue. Ang ngayon, no, that's why we have such certificate is to protect the client in case to mabagal or tumagal yung process of approval. Which is, this is the case. No, nangyari dito na January 18 pa na-approve, matagal bago na issue yung policy. No, so that means, so dapat, no, makakapag-claim si client. Granted that at the time of death ay na-comply niya yung lahat ng requirements for the company to decide, no, on the life insurance application.